Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2. Little short video. I just made a video Part 1 yesterday, and I started thinking I could make the plate look a lot better. I like the outside. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring in these rings that we had previously. Well, we've got something going on. I'm impatient and I didn't allow it time to move. So what we're going to do, we're going to do the exact same thing, and I'm going to leave toward the end part off because you didn't watch Part 1. Control D and make a duplicate, rotate that 90 degrees. And we have these three parts of our plate when we take that line away. So now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that one and move it over, fill in that one, move it over, fill in that one, move it over. But what I'm going to do differently is I'm going to left click, right click, and these are different entities. I can take away these lines now, I hope. I'm hoping what I'm thinking is right. Now I could not find that earlier. Oh, there it is right there. I moved one of those parts. So what I'm going to do is move these lines back. Well, I've already messed that line up. That's a good lesson. It was hiding, and it's going to mess up the Smart Fill tool. And I've also don't have them long enough. And then just take a 2-point line, hit P, and take that away. And let's just delete all that. And take the Smart Fill tool. Let's set our nudge. Well, I like my nudge factor on that because I can just do it twice. Because what we're doing, we made new shapes. And I am going to left click, right click, and I am going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to try to make the plate look a little bit more realistic, like it would really be. We can only do one at a time. So I'm just going to do that right there. I'm just applying 1/4 of an inch contour. Now what I need to do is take this and go up to Object and break the contour apart. Now we can actually get rid of this outside line. We only need the inside line. And we're going to grab the shape tool, and we're going to grab this part, and we're going to grab all this one, and we're going to go to text, or excuse me, windows, dockers, and corners. And we're going to bevel the corners just 1/4 of an inch. Well, what happened? Oh, you know what? I hit contour. I needed to open up. I had it open, Windows, Dockers, and corners. Now, with the shape tool, grab those 3 nodes and apply. See, it's going to make it look like it. So grab this one, grab these 3 nodes, and hit apply. To me, it looks more like a plate. Now, I didn't touch it first. I need to touch it first. I really only have to do these 2 corners and apply. Now, if I think it'll bevel. So let's fill these in with the Smart Fill tool. And let's get rid of the outline by right-clicking. Now let's open the bevel back up. Most people that use dockers all the time dock them, and I should learn. And we're going to bevel in the same amount we did in Part 1. You can only do one at a time. See how it makes it look more like a real plate would be? Now we might have to put some color in there because I'm leaving some space. Let's just see what that looks like. Yeah, I'm going to take some color, so I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and use the Smart Fill tool to fill in that space. Boy, that looks good. Now let's take away the outline. See if we can't grab that outline. Nope, we grabbed the wrong thing. Whenever you can't, just nudge it out and then grab the outline and then put this back. Now, if this worked out perfectly, I should be able to move this plate that I had an example of. I was playing around with that earlier. And it is that looks really good. It looks like an optical illusion. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit more, and thank you for watching.